In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect domain in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point one domain or path to another using Cloudflare's page rules, and what to watch out for so everything works smoothly. Start at the Cloudflare dashboard and sign in. From your account home, choose the domain you want to redirect. This opens the domain's overview. In the navigation, go to Rules, then open Page Rules. Depending on your dashboard, you may see page rules labeled as Legacy. That's okay for this walkthrough. The steps are the same for creating a simple redirect here. Click Create Page Rule. First, enter the URL pattern you want Cloudflare to match. This is important. You can target the root domain or a specific subdomain, and you can use wildcards. For example, to catch everything on the non-www version, use http://example.com/benchwashad or for the deity host, use example.com. The asterisk tells Cloudflare to match any path that follows. If you need both www and non-wwws covered, you'll generally create a separate rule for each unless you already force one to the other elsewhere. Next, pick a setting and choose forwarding URL. This tells Cloudflare the action is a redirect rather than a caching or security tweak. You'll now select a status code. Choose 301, permanent redirect, if you intend this change to be long-term and want browsers and search engines to update their records. If you're only testing or running a short-term campaign, a 302, temporary redirect won't be cached as strongly. For a final move, 301 is the right choice. Enter the destination URL. Include the full scheme like HTTPS and the exact host and path you want visitors to land on. If you used a wildcard in the pattern, capture and pass through the matched path with $1 so you don't break deep links. For example, redirecting http://example.com to http://newssite.com $1 keeps blog or contact working as expected. Double check for typos and make sure you're not pointing back to the same domain and path, which would create a redirect loop. Click Save and Deploy. Page Rule. After saving, confirm the rule sits above any other overlapping rules since page rules are processed from top to bottom. You can drag it higher if needed. Test in a private browser window to bypass cache, and try a few paths to confirm everything lands in the right place. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a minute, then refresh. That's it. Your Cloudflare redirect is live and configured correctly.